Welcome. I'm Lynette Melnick, and I'm so excited that you're here to join me in this workshop series, Be the Artist You've Always Wanted to Be. I think of it more than just art classes. I think of it as a creative journey, and it's designed to help you loosen up and to trust your intuition and to make art that feels personal and truly alive for you. And across these 4 workshops, we're going to layer different things. We're going to do expressive backgrounds and do mark making and Asemic writing. We're going to do collage, and we're going to turn it all into a one-of-a-kind artist book. And we'll talk about rhythm and harmony and balance and contrast, and also one of my favorites, composition, because I think of composition as a really, really fun version of problem solving. And it's also so important. But this goes beyond technique, because I want you to learn how to release that control, how to quiet the inner critic, and create with more freedom and presence and emotional connection to your work. Because we're not just making art, we're building momentum, and also we're forming a community that supports each other in our growth. And the name of this series, I thought of it because it's something that a lot of us feel. We have this vision of the artist that we want to be, but life sometimes gets in the way, that fear or perfectionism or overthinking, or we're wanting to make it look right. And that magic that's in us, it's gone and it's hidden and we can't bring it back out. And I want to help you bring that magic out so that you can shine. And let me tell you something that may surprise you. You don't have to know what you're making for it to be meaningful. You don't have to have a plan. You don't have to make good art. And you don't even have to have confidence right now. What you do need is a little bit of willingness. Willingness to show up, to share, to make marks, to experiment, to explore, and also to trust that your hands, they know more than what your head does. And if that sounds great, you are in exactly the right place. Let's begin.